What's up, guys? Welcome back. It is a really boring day in the crypto market, and so let's go live and chill. There's not going to be a ton to talk about. We can take a look at some charts, some coins, some altcoins. I think there was something, I saw something moving earlier, but very much sideways across the market. Extremely low volatility, and what we do know, or we can say confidently, is when we have these periods of extreme low volatility, it almost always results or ends in a very volatile move. So we're going to be holding out for that. We can speculate here when that might end. I have a poll up, so go ahead and vote in that. I'll go ahead and tell you my answer. Tax season in the US. Let's see. Taxes are due the 18th. Typically into tax season, we do see profit taking or less volatile markets, and that ends on, what, Monday? So I think come Tuesday, at Monday or Tuesday, I think we're going to see this resolve out of this range. This has been wildly boring. So let's fingers crossed. It could take longer, but I'm thinking the end of tax season likely to have some implications as that harvesting is now over. People may look to re-enter. They may look actually to then harvest gains or losses actually after the tax period is over to cover their bills, whatever. I think that'll result in some volatility. It's also Easter weekend. It is a holiday weekend, and so we don't tend to see very much volatility on these holiday weekends combined with it being weekend. Holidays and weekends. The double boring kiss of death. So let's jump into the Bitcoin chart here. Let's see where we're at. We have absolutely been waiting for this weekly close. We haven't done a ton of streaming because nothing's happened. Let's get rid of a bunch of this. We last stream looked at the weekly and said there's some kind of scary stuff going on. CryptoFace, shout out to Market Cypher and FemX, our sponsors. Do I have this Market Cypher? CryptoFace pointed this out. We do have a blood diamond signal on the weekly. If the weekly closes here, and we've actually traded lower since we talked about this last, there still is a day and 3 hours left, so that may change into the weekly close here. But with a day and 3 hours, if price closes at 40,300, this will be the first blood diamond indicator ever in the history of Bitcoin on the weekly. Not a very bullish take. In fact, pretty bearish take, as that's typically a sell signal. But we do not have, we're not out of hope here, as with a day left, we could trade higher. That will potentially remove that blood diamond, and things could look pretty good. What we're really looking for here as well, Market Cypher B showing us money flow now negative on the weekly. So a strong close here is very important. If we don't get it, I believe the probability of seeing some more downside is pretty good. Our momentum was rejected at the zero line. Money flow flipped negative, and MACD. So pretty much all of our indicators in agreement that on this close here on the weekly, if it's not looking strong, that we may have more downside ahead. We can see that first waning buying momentum candle here on the weekly looking to close. Fingers crossed it does not. It's wild. We really haven't moved since the last stream. Zooming into the day. We have, I guess this is a poll, flag down, let's say. And we now have what looks like a bear flag. We have our pole, the fall, and a symmetrical triangle at the bottom. Now, classical TA would tell you that this is probability to the downside. However, in crypto, I will say you almost never see these symmetrical patterns play out. They almost never, they just don't seem to be reliable indicators. I'm not going to say that this is something that you can take and say, all right, no, I'm going to go long off of this, but it's just not a reliable signal. I would say symmetrical triangles are about 50-50 in crypto. I think in traditional markets, they are a little more confident in their directional break, but in crypto, they really don't seem to have any kind of relevance. The bull flags and bear flags we look at are going to be the flat topped and flat bottomed, as those do have a high hit rate for predicting the direction of the break. We don't have that here. This is very much our lows coming up and our highs coming down, and it makes pretty perfect triangle there. So at this point, we got a question mark. We got a question mark, probably 50-50. If we want to have a weekly close that is strong, we're going to want to see this resolve to the upside. And if we don't, we're likely looking back down at our 2022 lows, 34.3 and 33,000. Let's pull up our moving averages on the daily here. Not so hot. Really, there's very little... Whoa, coughing. Ugh. There's very little bullish here. Very little bullish on the charts. The daily is below all significant moving averages. After rejecting off of the 200 back here in March, we've seen a pretty boring, nasty, painful sell-off. That took us back below the 20, the 50, and the 100, and now we are just consolidating. Consolidating, looking for the next move. In fact, it would be hard to find almost any time frame that's looking exceptionally bullish right now. The weekly was really the last one we were holding on to. That is still pending. That can still continue out strong and bullish if we get a good close. But the dailies, we can look at the 2-day and stuff. Nothing is really pointing to that weekly close being strong. So if it happens, it's going to be kind of blindsiding to the market, likely catching many traders off guard. The only even semblance on the daily that looks bullish here is momentum is waning on the sell side. That's it. That's it. Is what it is. Money flowed red on the day. The market has really squeezed into a tight range. This is not super usual to see such range-bound movement. The more you zoom out, the more that range becomes obvious or apparent. Starting back in May 2021 down to July's low, we've pretty much just ranged there since. That's a very, very long time. 370-ish days, a little bit over a year. Pretty wild stuff. As we zoom in, we see that that range just gets tighter and tighter. And now we maybe have this range established, something like that. This might be a scalp trader, a chop trader's dream, but this is extremely boring to me. You guys know I like to swing trade. I've had almost no orders fill at all this year, and it has been exceptionally boring. Well, let's see how that poll's doing. What are you guys thinking? Sideways one Monday. Yeah, I'm pretty much on that boat. Next week, 30% of you say never. I appreciate the humor. Never. I appreciate that. If you have not yet, guys, we only have 27 likes. This is going to be a chiller stream. Everyone's out with their families for holidays. There's nothing going on in the markets. We're not going to have a ton of viewers. But please help out the stream by smashing that like button. Every single time someone hits that like button, YouTube shows this stream to new viewers who possibly have never interacted with our content before. And so you can help those people potentially by smashing the like. If you haven't subscribed, that does the same thing while we're live. Subscribe along and join our fam. Pop in the Discord, the link is in the chat, and we're going to keep on blazing through. I'm trying to find something of interest here for you guys. There just isn't anything. There's just really not going to be much. Pretty much any trend line we draw is just, we're not really close to them. If we can take it from down here. Very much in the middle of the range, almost no matter how you cut this chart. Very much in the middle of the range, meaning taking a position here is likely a high risk play, as you have pretty much plenty of room to the upside and downside, and you're still in this range. Typically, you want to look to take a position at the top of a range or the bottom of a range. The middle of the range is the least certain place, so think twice. That'd be my opinion. Think twice before opening a new position. Maybe on the hour we can find like a nice trend line. There really isn't, though. There really isn't. It's all choppy. Last time things were this choppy, be honest, the last time things were this choppy, in my memory, was 2019 Q1. So you can take that as hopium, or not, doesn't matter. Back here. Zoom it out. Back here. This is the last time I remember things being so range bound, so choppy. And you can see even here that it's somewhat similar. We have a range We traded the range, and then that range began to get smaller and smaller until finally price broke in one direction. Back here it was to the upside. Fingers crossed that's what we see again today. Or not today, this year. Pretty wild. Pretty wildly boring. I'm just going to complain. Welcome to the complain show. Let's maybe do it this way. Yeah, we're just like not doing anything. Here's what I really hope doesn't happen. I hope we don't see a break to the upside, a lower high, and then just like to come back down. And then that just tightens the range more, We have to redraw our trend line over and over and over again. Oh God, please no. Is anyone even paying attention anymore? I don't know. I'm not sure. Hourly is looking to roll over. We are basically just reapproaching this descending trend line. It's not really going to get exciting until 40,800-ish is broken. This swing high yesterday or 2 days ago yesterday. You have to go even back to 40,500 seems far away at this point. Let's see. I'll pull up our chart from the other day. So this is what was on the thumbnail. This is our chart from, I think, April 1st. We were looking for the 12-hour to trade some way like this. We did not find support at 40,400 like we were hoping. Instead, we fell lower. Now potentially testing 40,400 as resistance here. We're going to want to see this daily candle break it. Absolutely. This is just the wildest, mostest, boringest chart. Let's see. Coins that are up. Monero's up 9% in the last week, but it looks like it's just doing the same thing, tightening its range. We can see that over here in the 7-day. STPN, I don't know what that is, up 10%. Cool. EOS, man. Filecoin with a little bump there. Okay, EOS. Okay, you can look at those. I actually know one coin that moved completely without the market today, it seems. Here we go. Yeah. Vertcoin. This is the only thing I saw today that moved at all. It's actually up 85% or 81% today. Now, this coin is an extremely low market cap. I think it's like 25 million. So an 80% move at a 25 million cap coin, not really that impressive. However, it's caught my eye because nothing else is doing this. There's just nothing. Nothing has moved. Look at that beastly hourly, just moving up, pulling back, moving up, pulling back. I can't wait for this to return to Bitcoin. I love that. Love that parabolic run. It's parabolic pampage. Likely this is probably going to have really high daily RSI already. Yep. RSI is out on the moon already. And I don't think it's set any kind of new high. So this is actually looking pretty sketchy. Pretty sketchy. And if you look at the longer history of this, it's like, whoa, huge gain on the day. But then you zoom out and you're like, has anything really happened yet? The answer is no. You have to get all the way back to $2.30. You have to almost 5x from right now just to break a new high. Yeah. Something to look at, though. If you want to see some green, get your green on. Check it out. Oh, cool. Phil, all right. Finding support at 20 bucks. Cool beans. Cool beans. Weekly momentum on Filecoin is up. I will take it. Oof. Oof. But this looks awful on the weekly for Market Cipher. Wow. That looks like garbage. Daily looking a little bit healthier though. VWAP just rolled over. Daily momentum pinching. And we have what could be a higher low on our swing low here. So that actually not as bad. Everything looks like this. Let's add our trend line here. Yep, you got a bunch of room to go before you're anywhere. Really don't want to get excited when the whole market is acting this way. Like, no volatility, nothing moving. You see these coins kind of pop off. They're going to be traps. They're going to be traps almost every time. Like, just looking for liquidity, looking for people who are bored. Maybe their logic is impacted by being bored. Woo! And they're just hoping to take your monies. So while the Filecoin, this is the one that's up like the second most or something, 7%, you can see nothing's happened. You really are just chilling. You do have a higher low here on the day. No bullish divergence on your RSI. You do on the MACD. But that weekly is very ugly. I wouldn't touch, honestly, I wouldn't touch this right now. What a funky chart, man. Ugh. God, I still like haven't recovered from Miami. I think I got sick. I got like mega sick when I got back, and I can't stop coughing. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Headaches, coughing. Feeling all right today, though. How you guys feeling? I do have a position open, but it's basically from right here. See if I can pull it up. One sec, have to log in. Contract. Here we go. Yep. I have this position open. It's not a huge position or anything. Let's see if you guys can see that. I'm probably sitting over it. It's like a small, long, low leverage. Entry price, yeah, 40,400. It was lower, and then I added a little bit. Just honestly, because I was bored. So there's the learning lesson today. Don't trade because you're bored. I took what was a better position, made it worse because I was bored. That's okay. This is money I'm willing to lose, so not a big deal. Got what, 80 contracts? 80 contracts. Yep. Pretty exciting. Not very exciting. I should definitely look to close some of this. So I have this position open. Where do I want to look to close pieces of it? Well, I already determined I'm going to do some of that at 42. And now that I've increased this position size, I want you open. Now that I've increased this position size, I'm going to increase what I'm looking to take profit there. So it was just one contract because initially this was like 6 contracts total. So I'm going to do maybe 10 contracts at 42. I had 2 here at 44. I'm probably going to make this like 15. There we go. Let's see, 40, 47.4. So I'm going to actually look to close a few more of these at 47.4. $80 contracts I'll have. 80 minus 25 is 55. Okay. 55. How about I close? We'll do 5. Makes 50. I guess I'll do 30. Yeah. I'm going to set that as a limit. Limit. Not a market. No, obviously not a market. Position size after execution. That's not right, but that's okay. There we go. Learning lesson here is the layering. You can see below I have even another safety order. I hate that terminology because there's nothing safety about it. But I have a lower order here. Price does push to the downside. I have plenty of margin. I'm not using high margin. This isn't a big position. But if price does dump, I'm going to pick up a few more contracts on the way down. If price breaks to the upside here, I'm going to look to close this position in pieces on the way up. If all of them are hit, we get a rally, a nice rally. I'll still have, what, 25 contracts open. May look to close those closer to 60, and this is if this happens. May not happen. Stop loss sitting down here around 32. If 32 breaks, which is below our 2022 lows, then I'm out of this position. I've lost. I'll lick my wounds and go home. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Thank you to our sponsors for Femex and Market Cipher. You guys can check them out in the video description below, and the links are in the chat. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Let's get a little sugar. A little sugar. Oh, now we're not in as red as we were. Nice. We were down $7, now we're down $4. Let's go. We're getting rich. What are you guys saying? 141 viewing. Hey, that's better than I thought we would do today. Better than I thought we'd do. Let's be realistic. I don't know. I looked on YouTube. There was like nobody streaming. There's nothing going on. I don't blame anybody. Spending time with their families. Vincent Sky, you should not drink when you're sad, my friend. Rent a fast car. What's up, Enox with cats? How you doing, brother? Rishi Rana. And the darling, the beautiful Sylv. How you doing? Happy Easter. Happy Easter weekend, everybody. Your heart hurts, man. Take the glasses off for a second, says a guy with no name. That's not sus. Why do you keep falling for these women, Vincent? Brother, gotta love yourself first. If you don't love yourself, how can you love someone else? Gotta love yourself first, man. Gotta. Board F4X short, you did the exact opposite, literally. Almost the same leverage too, spooky. What's up, David Brumbolo Jr.? Hope you're feeling, I hope I'm feeling better soon too. I want a refund, this is BS. Don't not trading contracts right now, study coins, dude. I want to tell you guys, anyone who's wondering, and maybe you know this, but sometimes it helps to just hear it. You do not have to trade contracts. You have to trade leverage. The culture in the space kind of makes it feel like you have to. You do not have to. In fact, you probably shouldn't. I trade majority spot. The only time I really ever open up contracts is just, I don't know, when I'm bored or I want something to do on stream, like today. You don't have to. Fred, you're probably right. What's up, Jason Roberts? Are we on the same side of the coin? No. But together we're net neutral, you know. S Little brings up an interesting point. It is a full moon tonight. And what we know about full moons is, in general, they are not bullish. In general, they are not bullish. Statistically, they lean to the bearish side. So, am I an idiot? Probably. What's up, Matt D? How you doing, brother? Wait, new moon, it's a full moon. It's not new moon, it's a full moon. What's up, Beardy Day, Creeps, Long Ape? Lol. Lol. The weight of the world on my shoulders. We got 165 votes. Looks like we're pretty much... Let's close the poll. Dang, this cough sucks. Ugh. This cough sucks. It hurts. Ibiz is scared to buy on the sidelines. Hey man, you can be safe on the sidelines. There's nothing wrong with that. Whatever makes you comfortable, that's the right choice for you. The bears are mooning on us. What's Dixie doing? Well, it's the weekend, so Dixie doesn't tend to move much. Let's go. Let's go. Move up. Dixie doesn't tend to move much on the weekends. From what I remember, on Friday, it closed at like 100 point something. So dollar very much up. Something that's important, we do look at the dollar and say, logically, the dollar and all equity should run inversely, right? Dollar strong, takes less of them to buy whatever. Vice versa. However, 2017, and I believe actually, I don't remember what year before that, I believe there's been 2 times. I think two of the major bull runs in Bitcoin's history, the dollar and Bitcoin have run together. The majority of the time, they seem to move opposite, but there have been 2 very significant times where they've run together. Potentially we're looking at that again. I hope, fingers crossed, knock on wood. Safe moon. No. Too emotional. Vincent, I love you, brother. You gotta keep your chin up, man. Gotta keep your chin up. Gotta love yourself. If you love yourself, I can promise you this, dude. If you love yourself, you'll find other people. Other people will love you too. Ooh, Crypto Zombie subscribed. Is he here? Is Crypto Zombie here? The legendary Crypto Zombie? I met him in Miami. I used to watch him back in like 2017 on YouTube. Nice. We got a little move on the hour. We're looking to break back above 40,400. Fingers crossed. Let's add this line to here. $384. 384. There we go. 5-minute close above. Let's go. That's really what I was worried about, is being rejected here from what was support. You can see 40,384 acting as support here, picking price up until boom, got smashed through. So on the reapproach, this is where the danger zone was. It is good to see that we've closed a 15-minute candle. Let's see, a 30-minute candle. And now potentially, fingers crossed, the hourly candle on this hour's close. We don't know that for sure, but we have the makings of it here as we're currently trading above it. Happens to be right around the 618 retrace, the golden pocket here. So this is probably the worst place to look to go long. Probably not a bad place to look to, if you were feeling risky, even though I don't think this is a great idea. Not a terrible place maybe to look to hedge a short if you're looking to scalp. Just technicals on the chart there. There's reason to believe that there's going to be sellers here as we've retested our descending trend. We have a support that we lost, and we have the golden pocket retrace. So we have 1, 2, 3 pieces of evidence there. Not bad. Likely people are feeling like they should long here, and that's maybe the 4th piece of info. EOS. Hey, let's pull up EOS. Let's pull up EOS. 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 No, that's not the right one. Prepare yourself for the apocalypse. Apocalypse. Yeah, EOS not really looking great either. Could have the setup of an inverse head and shoulders here. Don't really have it yet. I think last time I looked at this, I said, hey, that 200 daily looks like it wants to be tested. Of the same opinion at $3.20. If you can retake that, you're looking for $4.12. Looking for further upside on the 200 retake. Daily money flow entering green. Kind of moving against the rest of the greater market here. If I was looking to make a trade, I would be out. If EOS traded below, well, let's call it 210, I'd be out. You've tested the 20 weekly right here. You've moved to a higher low. If you break that low, this chart looks like crap. You're looking for, I mean, you have a chance of bouncing at 190, but you see these wicks all the way down here, $1.30, etc. Gets too sketchy. I'm not a fan of EOS. Here we go. Is that short play going to play out? Probably, because I said I wouldn't do it. Winter over is getting wreck time. It's so nice here today. It's so beautiful out. It's like sunny, but not blinding. It's warm, but not like insanely hot. It's like perfect. Wasting time giving this person advice on women's. It's life advice, man. Trading is about taking care of yourself. Much like attracting a mate. It's about taking care of yourself. What do you need? Taking care of your needs. Because when you address your needs, then you can go out and you can successfully trade. If you're depressed, sad, angry, and you go to trade, those things are going to overtake your logic. They're going to replace those logical thoughts in your head with, I'm angry, I'm sad, I'm whatever, I'm going to do this because I don't care. So there is some crossover. There's some crossover. Might sound crazy. What's up, Tristan Martinez? Rishi, tell me about Wavecoin, bro. Wavecoin is sisters. It's a sister coin of Ocean Coin and Moon Gravity Coin. And they're best friends. They met in high school. Like at LTC, probably. When Moon Lambo. The Moon Lambo was the friends we made all along. Strict Thydra is actually right on. Pretend you're Spock, dude. A robot. A robot would... That's why... Honestly, that's why I think bots can be very successful. Especially for new traders. Simply because you've removed the emotional element. When it's an algorithmic trade, there's no emotional element. And you could be a better trader than the bot, whatever you program, but you don't have to worry about it getting in, seeping into your thought process. Wait, is Crypto Zombie here? I saw he subscribed. Is he here? I need to give him a wrench. No, I don't see him. Oh well. Come back, Crypto Zombie. Wait. Nah, Crypto the only. Close. When OG's Zombie, Crypto Zombie. He's an OG, man. He's like OG to the sense that makes me not OG. His OG-ness dwarfs. Wait, dwarfs my OG-ness? I don't know. That's what you hold, so you can be depressed all the time. Hey, right there with you, Phoenix. What's up with NKR? I don't know. Guys, you're all asking about individual coins. What's up with this? What's up with that? Dudes, I know you guys want an answer that isn't this, but this is the only answer. This is what's up with every coin. Every coin is just waiting for this to resolve. Doesn't matter what it is. ANKR, Litecoin, whatever, Ocean Sister of Waves Coin. It's all just waiting for this to resolve. Nothing is going to push through the market in a significant way while Bitcoin is not resolved like this. I can promise you that. I might be wrong, but I can tell you that from experience. Anything that really runs when Bitcoin is chilling tends to just get instantly sold off, and it's a trap. So be very careful. Very careful with alts right now, especially with new positions. All you need is BTC and to subscribe and like to this channel. It's great to have you. We are going to do an airdrop after the stream in the Discord. All you have to do is be in there. Make sure you verify when you get in. You just have to click the green checkmark emoji. Moses Alexander Cruz, how important is the money flow indicator on Market Cypher? Is it cool you trade without it? You can, but in my opinion, it's between money flow and VWAP are the two most powerful elements of it. The way that Market Cypher visually describes them, I think, is a very powerful combo. I look at Filecoin is up $1 since I talked crap on it. Still nowhere near out of the woods yet. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's make some money live on stream here with my pathetic $3,000 long. Let's go. Let's go. Am I going to open up any shorts? Not at this price. Not at this price. No problem, Moses. My mang. Dude, Market Cypher is a tool, right? And when it comes to tools, there's only going to be one answer really to almost every question, and it's what's right for you. If you give 10 artists the same paintbrush, they don't have to use them the same way. They could all create awesome works of art. There's no one set way. For me though, money flow and VWAP are the big hitters. The big hitters on Market Cypher. Crypto only. We're early 5 years, all champions. We are all champions. BTC is all that matters. He's right. I agree. I agree. What's up, Jordan, with his facts and Tom's Diner? Oh, Robbie. Robbie 1 Kanabi. You're not really around in the live streams often, man. It's good to see you. You're always in the comments, and I appreciate you. I see you there in the comments. Subscribe from Korea. Wappa Rampa. Thank you. Good to have you. Good to have you, Wampa Rampa. Thanks for subscribing. 211 watching. All right, we're getting some decent numbers. It's a chilling day. We've got a $3,000 long open. We're basically just babysitting it, watching it do nothing. At the moment, Bitcoin battling with resistance, previous support. Looks like it has or is looking to retake it, but it's not out of the woods yet. We're going to want to see this hourly candle close above 40,384. We've got 19 minutes to see that happen. It's possible. It is possible. Only trading here. I don't know. Yo, Epic, what's up, my dude? I saw you in Frankie Candle stream the other day. Welcome, brother. I have a crazy good memory for usernames before you ask. What's up, Relax Q, Mark Cali? Get you some nails? Sure, I don't know. Chain Gains Crypto. Which paintbrush works the best? See, that's the perfect question. Like, it's whatever that artist, it's like down to the artist. There is no one perfect paintbrush because everyone has a different style. Do I analyze projects or NFTs? Not really. What's up, Fabian Prado? We chat crypto, we'll chat stuff like NFTs, but I'm not an NFT bro. I'm just not an NFT bro. It's not my thing. Props to anybody who's made mad money on them. Good for you. Marcelo Cufel Camona. Brazil, let's go. Brazil. All your links go to Bitly, what? The links don't work. They have to work. What? Now you've got me tripping. One sec. They should go, like, Bitly is correct. Bitly is correct. That tcrown.me is like a Bitly link, yes. Yes. But it should bring you to the Market Cipher page or the Femex page. It just did for me when I clicked them. You got me tripping for a second there. Full moon action, yep. Full moons, guys, like, I hate it. I hate to, like, acknowledge because it's such gibberish. But full moons, we do tend to see dumps. Like, if you look statistically. Rodney Assistant. Thanks for the 5, brother. Happy Saturday to you. Thanks for the weekend TA. Yeah, dude, someone's got to do it, right? Someone's got to do it. State N, is BitBoy the richest YouTuber? No. Dude, easily Carl the Mooner MM Crypto. Yes, let's go. And our long is in profit, boys. Back in green. Let's go. We're now up $2.67. How does he do it? I'm liking the way this is moving, though. Come on, you just keep it up. You got 15 minutes. Keep pushing. Let's break this high. Keep pushing into the hourly close. Let's get a strong close. Do I have more buy orders at sub 40? I do. And actually, I should probably change their size, huh? $38.5. NFTs are roulettes with JPEGs. There you are, Epic. I knew it. Mr. Frankie Candles. 1 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 That's the first time I ever tuned in. He's good. He's good. I don't say that often. What's up, Shafikila Raufi? Which seems bullish. FTM or near? I was just kind of got finished saying, guys, be very careful with new alt positions. Bitcoin is in a range. Taking an altcoin position here, the risk is much higher than usual. Much higher than usual. I would wait for Bitcoin to resolve, then look for the altcoin positions. Oh, you're just going to give us money? Are you sending us Easter money, Bitcoin? Just send us Easter money. Bitcoin, if you send me a bunch of Easter money, I will donate some of it to charity live on stream. That's right. 1776. What's up, my dude? Crypto Rocky. Nope. I don't do NFTs. Yeah, I really don't. I'm not an NFT bro. What's up, Bob Franklin? Alchemist, welcome back, my friend. Yapiaza Almedia. Something about Brazil. Rally Brazil, I don't know. Joshua Jones, I've heard that before. Let's go. Let's go. Millionaires trade on charts, billionaires trade on the moon cycles. I've heard that. I'm not a billionaire, so I can't confirm. TSG, pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it up. I'm down for pumping it, man. I have my little position open. I just told the universe if this position nets us some dough that we're gonna give a little bit back. Here we go, 40,500, 40,600. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, 40,630. Let's go. LFG fam. This is looking like a strong hourly. Looking to close back above support. Retaking it. That's a good sign of strength. Let's rock and roll. Our long was down $3. Now it is up $10. Woo. I can retire. I don't even need to stream anymore. I'm up a whole $10 unrealized. S Little, I trade the moon thanks to your video last year. That was a good video. It seems like a stupid video. I kind of like try to edit it that way. But the information in it was real. It was good. Richard, dude, I'm telling you. Carl the Moon MM Crypto. I don't know what any of them are worth, but I'm telling you, I would put my money that they are the richest crypto YouTubers. Easy. I have no doubt. What's up, Dennis Van Almeren? You like watching cryptos, are us and Tom. George gives you hopium, and I'm relaxed. Cool. Good combo. I've never actually spoken to cryptos, are us. One of the few YouTubers I have never had the pleasure of meeting. So if you're listening, George, let's chat. The moon buys him said, yeah, new exotic cars. Like, yeah, I know. I mean, good for him. You know, let's not hate on. Listen, he made his money. You know, like that's what we're all hoping to do. Yeah, I don't know. Good for him. What's up, long range crypto, my boy? We're screwed. I don't know. Are you, brother? Are you? Chusei crypto. Easter money. Easter is hide and seek money. I don't know why you said that, but I like it. So, yeah. Phil is doing a little pumping. We looked at that earlier. Easter Bunny is pumping it. Yeah. He's hippity hoppity-ing. Easter's on his way. Crypto Rocky. Seriously, the links take me to the bit.ly page instead of your page. Can anybody like confirm this? Because I click them, it takes me to the pages it's supposed to. You mean the ones in the video description? CryptoFace is dope. I love CryptoFace, of course. But Carl the Moon MM Crypto, dude, I would imagine those dudes have like $100 million. Like something just ridiculous. What's up, Derman? 4,106. Mike, Bob Franklin. Look out. Hype in chat. Yeah, boys. It's a little Easter pump. It's a little Easter pump, maybe. Take a look at our chart. We got that 5-minute close, 10 minutes to go on this hour, and we're getting, it looks like, what we're hoping for. Fingers crossed. Let's add this to our chart. We do have this little local hourly resistance. 40,500. This would be a very strong close. This would be a very strong close for this hour. And you can see that we are contending with it. We are there. 10 minutes to go, 9 minutes to go. Crypto Yacht. I don't know who that is. Ja Da Vinci, that, you know, there you go. That he's kind of in that crew though of Carl and MM. So certainly could be in the running as well. We are all George. What's up, Printed? Albert Einstein, bro, it's been a while. Panda, been a while, dude. Good to have you back. Alex Nogel, it has been a while. Things are good. Things are good other than maybe having the coof again. Doing all right. How's the chart looking for feet picks? What's up, Beej? What's up, Beej? Have a wrench, bro. Da Vinci. Da Vinci. Casual mining. Ryan Mata got his channel terminated yesterday for calling out that baby Lambo unit guy. We don't talk smack here on this channel, man. We're just lovers. We just chart and we love, and that's it. That's it. I don't know, Crypto Rocky. No one else is saying that's true. No one has confirmed it, and it works for me. The Oral. Opiscu. Been watching for years, liking my vibe. I like you being here. Good to have you. Dennis, you do have a point. I've thought about it, honestly, but I feel like if I minted, like if I just made NFTs and sold them, I feel like, you guys know I have like a big moral connection with the space, and I feel like that's kind of just taking advantage of you guys that might buy them, because there's no value, you know, like there's no value there. Just like people buy them because my name's on them. And then what? Nothing? Probably I'd never be able to sell them again? I don't know. The Moon Click. Degeberry Doughboy. Have I heard of Thomas Kralow? No. Good name though, great name. What's up, Mr. Pump? Did I long? Oh, I keep forgetting I don't have this up. Long is up. Long has been up. Long has been fully operational. Yep, Enox knows me, brother. Well, you all, a lot of you do. Dude, I care more about crypto than I do about making quick money. I make my money. I'm good. I don't know. I would just feel bad if people bought them because there's no value. There's nothing to them. They would be, I guess, they'd either buy them because they're huge fans and they just want to hold on to them. That's cool. Or they're like hoping to flip them, and I don't know. I don't really think that's a good bet. Maybe someone will want to buy it. Oh, Beej, I wish you were in Miami too, brother. We had a great time. Damn good video. Thank you, S Little. You don't need to be sorry, Crypto Rocky, man. I'm just, nobody, can someone confirm what Rocky said? Like, I'm not doubting you. It's just, I click him, it works. I don't know. I don't know how to fix it because it works for me. What's up, Scar Sizzle? Cheers. Was BTC my first buy, my longest hold it? Yes. Yes. It also was like one of the few coins that existed at the time. If we get a full moon pump, it will be wild. Pet Rocks. Pet Rocks. Your middle name's Thomas? Well, that's a freaking great middle name, man. Bitcoin is not a hedge for over a year now, but it was over, if you look at a 2-year time period. 3-year time period, 4-year time period, 5-year time period. Anything except for that, just that specific amount of time. It 13 months it's a good hedge, 12 months it's not. Mitch sells NFTs? I actually didn't know that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think we're going to do that. I don't think we're going to do NFTs here. What do you think the macro low will be for Bitcoin in 2022? Honestly, I think the low's in. Personally, I think the low's in. Links are working fine. Thank you, Omi Ross. Isakidas. Appreciate you. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why it takes you to Bitly. It's weird. Yeah, it'd be just not a bad idea. It's like I could do NFTs and then you get like kind of maybe like private lessons or something, trading lessons, but then I would have to charge a lot. I'm doing one-on-one trading lessons for $100. No way. Just what's up, Spaz Workshop? Just telling Mitch, the wife, about Mitch's NFTs. What are they? I wonder. Are they on OpenSea? Maybe we look them up. OpenSea. Let's see. Like, is it Lord Ray or Mitch Ray? Ah, Rareable. No, wait. Oh my God, these are a little redunculous. Okay. A lot of NFTs. A lot of NFTs. I guess it's like on. What collection is it? Created? Do these have like a collection? Let's see. Okay, it's on Rareable. Ayo, oh. Ayo, 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 oh. What? Why can't I find like the collection this is in? More from this collection. What? More from this collection? Bored Ape Yacht? I don't understand. I don't understand NFTs, guys. You're getting me all confused. You're getting me all confused. But you can repay me by smashing that like button and subscribing if you haven't yet. That's right. I don't think the top is until July, November. Yeah. I don't think the top is in. I think the bottom is in, and I don't think the top is in. I think that's the easiest way I can do it. What's up, Joe Clave? I think, yeah, dude, did you ever give me your Discord username? Joe Clave? Jeremy Cup Lozen, yikes. Jeremy, though, I've been saying that now since May last year. So, it's not like I'm just deciding this based on today or something. Like, this is not a new thing coming out of my mouth. Mouth of the Dragon. How does OTC work? How does it keep the price down in a market? So, it doesn't necessarily keep the price down. But what it does do is it allows large buys to circumvent exchange orders, so they can avoid impacting price. So it doesn't necessarily push price down, but it does remove some of that upward pressure directly from spot exchanges. Is it a good thing or a bad thing? Honestly, I would say probably not great, but it's really nothing new anyway. Ross, who cares? Bitcoin's hedged 4 years ago. I don't know, people who were in more than 1 year ago. Probably. I mean, S little no, I wish. I wish. Oh yeah, I didn't even explain what it is. Yeah, it's just basically P2P. It's just like, if you were to come to me and buy, you say, oh, I want $10 worth of Bitcoin, and you gave me $10 and I sent you $10 worth of Bitcoin, there we go. We haven't transacted through an exchange, so we haven't impacted the price on exchange, no matter how much we trade. And that's kind of maybe the selling pressure or negative for price kind of concept related to that. Is because instead of you going to Coinbase and buying $10, which would then push the price up a little bit, you're going through me, and that buying pressure is missed. But then it also goes in the other direction. So OTC also, they also do sells. Well, obviously if someone's buying, someone's selling. It's pretty much all net neutral stuff. Enox, dude, you're killing me. Borrow me, Christian Andres. If you're broke, dude, the last thing you want to do is lend someone who's broke money to trade. Because people who are successful in trading don't go broke. Am I a multi-millionaire as well? I wouldn't say that. My friends think I'm rich. My friends think I'm rich, but I'm not rich. We press on. Yes, we do. Sell t-shirts with NFTs to them. Thanks for the weekend TA thing. My pleasure, Dustin. Figured I'd get on and let's go. Let's go. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. And this is the new hour. We got our close. We got our close. Into the new hour. Our long is now up $16. From a low of a -3 at the beginning of the stream, we're now up 16 whole dollary dues. Cha-chang. Cha-chang. Joe Clave, I did not. Let me find it. I'm gonna search your name, Joe Clave. Bro, the last message you sent was Tom want to let you back in the Discord, and then now you said, Tom, did you see my Discord above? You did not send another message. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Get that thickness. The thickness. The thickness. Boom, boom, boom. This is exciting. It's exciting because there's so much at stake here. Oh, $14 gain. If I lose this, I'm going without dinner tonight. I'll just be broke. You say, guys, I'm not rich. Not rich. Woo woo. This $14 is if I'm eating my ramens tonight. Let's go. Joe Clave, if I don't know what's happening, but dude, you can just go on Twitter. You can message me on Twitter. My DMs are open there. I'll take you off if you're on the booted list. And my Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. Bump it up. Bump it. Good to see you too, Philip Sapp. How you doing? How you doing? Here, this is a full disclosure. This is the trade I have set up. There you go. There's all the prices, all the positions. Oh wait, you can't see that. That's annoying. Well, you can't see the numbers. Huh. Lame. There, now you can. Now you can't see that. This is perplexing. How can you see all the info? Do not know. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam. I am. All that excitement, and you zoom out, and you're like, it literally didn't move. It just like moved 1 pixel. All that excitement. Maybe I should be a little more aggressive here. So I'll like close 1 at 40993. No, this is 404. Here we go. Yeah, actually, let's make this 5. Let's go, butt corn. Get your butt into it, butt corn. Put the butt in it. Take your $70 or $17. That's the top. Take the money and run. It's only 11 now. Boo. Basically broke. What's up, Mr. Robert? How you doing, man? Later, Beej. Thanks for stopping by, brother. QQQ235. Moonin'. Straight moonin', bro. Straight moonin'. Are the red lines TPs? Yes, they are. That is correct. That is correct. It's a trap. It's a trap. Hey, Christian, brother. I thought it was a joke at first. Please don't ask for money here. If you ask for money here, it's going to boot you. Asking you nicely. Be careful, that's a trap. Mellow Hamburg, what's up, my friend? How you vibing? Leo N. Welcome. I don't know. I don't. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this money flow. Look at that. Beautiful. That is a beautiful uptrend. It's on the 5-minute, unfortunately. 15 showing some strength too. Higher low, higher high. I'll take it. Higher high in the 15. After a higher low, seeing a pattern. 45. Ooh. VWAP is monstrous there. Hourly just approaching the 0 line. Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. We're riding this, baby. We're riding this. We are now up $16, $17. That's life. That's wife-changing money right there, man. My Twitter profile's a Thanos profile picture. Yes, it does. Our banner. Yes, it does. Mr. McPickle. Mr. McPickle. Hope it moons and you make a ton. Well, thank you, Leo, and I hope that you make a ton. What's up, Algo Hunter? Have I heard of Prime XBT? Yeah, they've been around. They're okay. I've used them in the past. They're not like a scam. Elliott Wave is the best. Ooh, buddy, those are fighting words. Those are fighting words around here. Elliott Wave. Not gonna get into it. So pretty. Just subbed. It's good to have you, Mr. McPickle. What's up? Easy Casino Wins. Little T on Filecoin. We did Filecoin. But if you just jumped in right now, dude, that's a rough... I was saying earlier, I would not look to take any new positions right now in alts. You might get lucky, though. I can tell you where I would look to get out of it if I was in a long on the Filecoin, though. 2372. Boom. Not financial advice. We don't give financial advice here. But if I was in a long on Filecoin, that's where I'd be looking. Pump it up. Pump it up, Bitcoin. Pump it up. Pump it hard. Happy Easter. Happy trading. Thank you, Crypto. Rocky, my man. Hope you join us again. You still got Billy, dude. That's so weird. I don't know. After the stream, I guess I can take a look. No one's ever said that, so I don't know. XMR long right now, dude. Nice, Robert. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, hit a TP. Hit a TP. The stream can be done then. Let's do it. Let's see. 200 likes. Pretty damn good for 250 watching. Well done. If you haven't hit that like button, please do. If you haven't subscribed, please do, because each time you like a live stream or you subscribe while they're live, YouTube shows the live stream to more people. So you actively help other people find the stream by doing that. I appreciate it. Costs you nothing. And it's like an Easter weekend. I'm on here trading for you guys, doing leverage and such. No, I'm just kidding. I appreciate you. Appreciate you. There we go. New high. Let's rock and roll. We're up $21, baby. We were down 3. Now we're up 21. It's a huge turn. It's a huge upset. Oh my goodness. Holy 40,700. Let's go. That 5-minute market cipher B did not steer us wrong. Links in the chat for our sponsor market cipher. Use promo code CROWN to get 15% off. There you go. Channel sponsor. Femex. Other channel sponsor. We only have 2. Up on the screen right now. Their link is in the video description below as well. Let's go. $20 I can eat tonight. Let's roll. Goodbye, ramen. Hello, steaks. Goodbye, Honda. Hello, Lambo. $20. Good times. Good times. Think about ONT. Honestly, I'd just keep repeating it, guys. Right now, every altcoin is in the same position. It's just waiting for Bitcoin to resolve the range. Taking positions in altcoins right now is going to be very high risk. I don't think it's a good idea personally. It's up to you. They're all just waiting for this range to resolve. But maybe long here. I longed a while ago. I longed back here. Thank you, Robin, for the 20, my friend. $23. I mean thousands, right? Yeah, right. Someday. I'm trying to build this little account up. We're gonna do it live together and see how it goes. I appreciate it though. I was just kidding about eating, by the way. I hope you didn't do that because you think I'm not eating. I don't need this to be a win to eat tonight, I promise. Promise. But I appreciate you, man. Appreciates it. There we are. There we go. Let's see. Let's go back to our chart.
$23. Ha. Dollar means 1,000, right? Good to see ya.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, thank you. Alright, pick it up. 5 minutes still looks great, dude. It just, this momentum is positive and it's remaining positive. Money flow's looking to break a high here. This is some rocket fuel, dude. Look at that. Just clearly defined channel. That's what you want to see when you're in a long. You want to see that momentum up above the 0 line. You want to see it stay there. 23 plus F gas. What's up, profit taker? With proper risk management. TS Jew. High risk, high reward. What I'm arguing is that it's higher risk than usual and the same reward as usual. So it's a worse risk to reward. Got a short order at 40,930. Are you trying to front run me, Algo? Because I got my short order at 40,944. Trying to front run me, aren't you? Son of a bee. Son of a bee. Jesus Easter candle. I'd be okay with that. I'd be okay with the little miracle risen from the dead candle on the old Easter. The Easter keister. Let's do it. Litecoin does look better than most of this gibberish though. Little kicker on the 4. Strong money flow on the hour. A little bit of weakness on the 2. Put an alert. Put an alert at 115. See what happens. To rise 3 days later. Gucci, your XTZ, your Tezos play going huge. Well done. Well done, man. Slaying it. Everyone's looking at Filecoin, dude. What's up with everyone looking at Filecoin? It looks decent. Looks decent. It hasn't sold off. Had a nice little pop, little fake out pot. Nice. 4 hour actually it does look pretty prime. We're looking for money flow to roll over. Back to positive. April 6th, it rolled over to negative. Now that momentum is up in the sky. I mean, it could definitely be good. It's someone asked earlier about where I would look to take profit if they just opened, and I said not financial advice, like I always say. But I'd be looking at 2374, 2370, 618 retrace of our high, swing high to swing low. Logical place. It's all it takes. It just has so much distance up before it's done anything significant. You have to get over $28.50. Until you do, literally nothing has happened here, just in the range. No problem, street strolling style. Beautiful 4 hour. Yeah, it is pretty fancy. Hey, I'm a Litecoin fan. You guys know that. I do not hide it. Very transparent with what I'm a fan of and what I'm not a fan of. Let's do a little back test at what, 40,530. A little back test as support. Then let's rip it. Let's rip it. Rip it and rhyme it. Rhyme it and rip it. Fly. Oh, man. Ooh, it's raining. Raining out. Soothing rain. Let's get a little back test here. Let's just claim that as support on the hourly. A little back test. And then let's roll. Let's rip it. Let's close some of this long on the way up. And let's eat steaks. Steaks for dinner. Ham. Rum ham for dinner even. Alright, we've got 1 hour, 42 minutes until this daily closes. That cough sounds really bad, I know. Trust me. It's actually much better than it was. That's the crappy part. It was way worse. When I got back from Miami, it was way worse. Like, so, I'm feeling a lot better too, so I'm not really worried. Not worried about it. Let's roll. Black lung. I got the black lung. Pops, I've been working in a coal mine. Been working in the coal mines. I got the black coughs. Mr. Jerry, how you doing, brother? Correction, you said he would wait for a pullback to at least 38. What? When did I say that? I'm in a long. This whole stream I've been in a long. I have another order down at 38.5. Safety order. Just such a misleading term. Yeah, I'm making the Bolai cool. Eboli. Making it cool again. It's just gotten too out of fashion. It's time to bring it back into fashion. Back in my day, everybody had the Ebola. Bing, bing, boom. Come on, just go market. We had a little bit of excitement. Come back. Dang. Yep, I'm gonna have to wrap up my coughing here. Yeah, cough drop. Cough drop. is easy. It's easy. It's easy. Oh man. Oh man. It hurts. It hurts when I cough. I got to coof. Got to coof. Boring. Well, it's 6:21, so we have an hour and 40 minutes. Something tells me that this is probably gonna look to hit. It's probably gonna look to hit one of our TPs, but I don't know if it will happen this hour. It may look to maybe into the close, maybe after the close. I mean, heck, maybe it just falls down here. We don't know. Ugh. Brutal. See, there we go. Maybe it falls down here. We don't know. And then it did. Oh, no, I didn't see it, brother. ETC at 38. Is it at 38 now? I thought it was around there. Ugh. I need something cold to drink. Ew. It heard me say maybe it'll go down here, and then it went down here. What's up, Thomas Lipovetsky? How you doing, man? Megan steaks. Miso butter. Sounds yummy. Sounds yummy. And I am like no longer able to control this cough. So I'm going to, there it is too, as soon as I start talking. So, oh, come on. Now I don't know if I can. If this candle closes green, all right, we're waiting a minute and 40 seconds. Ooh. Do something. Do something. Pick a direction, Bitcoin. Why? Why would you want that, Joe? This is an absurd premise. It's that fiber splice god profit taker. Oh yeah, Ursula. How you feeling, Vincent? A little better? Rick Ortega, how you doing, man? Been a while. How you doing, Rick? Oles. Honey whiskey, actually, that sounds delicious. I haven't had alcohol since I got back from Miami. When was that? The 9th, and it's been a week. I didn't even think about it. Hey, TSG. I look at so many charts every day. Can't say I remember it, but if you remember it, probably happened. Sounds like me. Constantly telling people to wait for pullbacks. That's pretty much all I do anyway. Oh, bro, I'm on like number 4. I think I'm on like my 4th round of this. This one isn't bad though. I feel fine. I just like keep coughing. Exactly, Summit. Man, I ain't a guy who tries to refill his water bottle every 5 minutes, alright? I drink a lot of water. I'm a hydro homie. Alright. Alright. Do we fall out of our little trend? Yeah, a little bit. Money flow is still trending up though. This rally is not cooked quite yet. Probably breaking down below 40,450 again will break it. But at the moment, it still could be holding support here. Could be holding support here. Actually, you know what's interesting? This is really weird. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. This right here looks so much. This is wild. Maybe the sickness is messing with my brain here, but check this out. Tell me these things don't look similar. Look at this. That's wild. This is 2018 Q4 and 2019 Q1. These are daily candles. This is on the 5-minute. I think they look very similar. And then what's interesting here to me on this 5-minute run up is that this section, this actually looks a ton like what we saw on Vertcoin on the hourly. They're very similar. Spicy. That's spicy. You even see this little peak coming in now. This part. Right here. Spicy. Spicy, spicy. What's up, Rabbito? Oh. The rare pink moon. Pink moon. Do I use Bookmap? No. I do not. Mr. Ronald Torres. I use TradingView. Alright. Vaping sucks. Actually, it doesn't seem to bother it at all. When my coughs get really bad, I just don't vape because I can't. But I like this little bottoming pattern. I like this run up we've had so far. I'm hoping for, let's see, let's hold 40,005. I guess worst case, let's hold 40,004. And I'm looking for continuation. I think this looks strong. I don't think we're going to get much movement in this hourly. There's one more hourly after that into the daily close. We may see this rally continue. However, I'm trying so hard not to cough right now that I don't think I'm going to be here for it. So guys, please subscribe if you haven't. Jump in the Discord. We're going to do an airdrop when this stream is over. All you have to do is be in there. Just when you join, you'll see one room. It'll say verify. Click the green check mark emoji. You're in the server. That's it. You'll get the airdrop. We'll probably be live again tomorrow. If it gets hella spicy here, we'll probably be live tonight. But thanks for joining us, everybody. I hope you guys have a great Easter. This was a fun stream. I thought it was going to be really boring. You guys made it fun. I love you all, fam. Crown out.